My plans well, I had this idea in mind for so long. I haven't really had the chance to do it because I think we either just forgot it.
Yeah, or we didn't have time.
Yeah, we simply just not have time. Yeah. But right now, we have time to do it. So, welcome everyone. You're the best, mate. Thank you very much. My heart is touched.
He says bent.
Whatever. What are you doing? Leona wanted to put makeup on my face. She said to me, Kieran, let's go make a makeup challenge video and let's go put some makeup on her face and my face. So what's your plans or what's the makeup you want to have first?
Full face of makeup, everything, and loads of glitter.
I see that you have this.
I'm gonna clean your face with clean and clear. Okay. Wait, though, open it. I'm not gonna go near your eyes because it might sting.
So what about my
mouth?
mouth?
It's really minty, isn't it?
Yeah, it's very minty.
I'm gonna put cream on your face because you look like you're very dry.
Yeah.
This is cream for underneath your eyes.
You say you're not gonna get my eyes.
You don't squint. I'm not gonna hurt you.
What's that on my forehead?
Cream, because you've got a bit of dry skin.
How? Okay, fair enough.
Crusty ass.
What is this?
You know the way you have like loads of like pores on your nose?
Yeah.
Well, this like erases it, hides it.
Erases the pores.
Well, only erases it for a certain amount of time. Doesn't actually erase forever.
Oh.
But it's good for like hiding them for a while. It's very weird. It's science. Science, man. I used to paint your nails and then I used to get in trouble. My dad used to be like, why are you painting Kieran's nails for? I just got bored.
Because you want me to be magnificent.
Yeah.
Do you know what? I feel like an actor.
Yeah, actors wear makeup.
So we are actors and actresses playing our part. Because we're pretenders,
Oh my God, I've got a headache already,
emotionless. It's only been a few minutes of the live stream.
No, you singing's giving me a headache.
Because I'm like, baby, 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 ooh!
Kieran, you're crazy.
Like baby, 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 ooh! Like baby, 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 ooh! You stop tapping my head every time I sing the song.
You're gonna look like a proper drag queen, except
Oh no.
you've got a bit of stubble.
Do you know what? I thought you were gonna say that I look like a proper giraffe of how long my neck is.
That too.
Look at that face.
You look like me.
No, I'll never look like you because you're ugly. No, I take that back.
That was rude.
That was rude.
Roasted sister. I know, he's so mean.
I know.
I'm just being nice. I could just roast him back, but I don't want to embarrass you.
Your mom's face.
I really wanted to say something back, but I
Go
couldn't.
on, say it.
Your dad.
Oh my Jeebus, shut the front door or I'll have a word with your mother.
This thing is to hide bags. Do you know why I'm putting concealer on your forehead?
Why are you putting concealer on my forehead?
To make it look smaller.
You said of a fat forehead.
Well, you've got a bigger forehead than me. Who has a bigger forehead, me or Kieran?
Jack films.
Yesterday, I asked you to fix my forehead. Okay, I like this. So, he's gonna keep going? Okay, alright, nope, that is not an improvement. That's the opposite.
I look so beautiful.
Trying to look up? Do this, look. Like, look at the ceiling.
Hello, see. Ah!
I promise I won't hurt you. Like, open your eyes and look up.
It's not my fault when you're getting it near my eye socket.
Why do you do this? Well, actually, I don't wear makeup every day, but when I do makeup, I do this all the time, so. Alright, look up once.
It's on it.
I think I might do your eyebrows now, actually. Your eyebrows really...
Oh no. She's gonna do my eyebrows now, so this is gonna be fun. Oh no.
Oh, which eyebrow will I do? This is
my
bad hand. I'm not here to make sense, I'm here to make you look pretty.
Yes.
I don't know how I'm gonna master these bushy brows, but...
How dare you?
Hey, well, you're lucky you have eyebrows, because I don't. I have to paint them on.
Of course you have eyebrows. I can see right here.
I know, but... don't touch them! Any girl you know, do not touch anybody's eyebrows, especially if they have makeup. Do not touch. Kieran, makeup isn't dangerous. It's literally hair attached to plastic.
I know, but I'm just unsure what it is, and this is my first time ever getting makeup done, or yet watching videos of how makeup is done.
Yeah. Oh, that cut crease is lovely. You see that, guys?
Only seeing two. It is very nice.
I can't do your eyeliner, I'm sorry, because you will squint.
I won't squint. I promise.
I promise?
I'll be in dead serious.
Like, I won't hurt you or anything like that. I promise. Woo!
Oh my god. I look amazing.
Look down. Oh, wait, no, I mean close. Straight.
Make up your mind. Do you want me to look down or look straight?
You look like an Egyptian goddess.
Because I am a goddess.
Don't elaborate on that one.
Oh no, what have I done? Do I regret this? Maybe. Do I want to do it again? No.
Yeah, but once I put like lipstick and all on it, you will be flying. That's in your tooth now. Right, now rub your... I'm gonna put a bit of gloss on it.
Why does that smell nice?
I know, isn't it really nice?
Interesting.
I'm gonna put a little bit of mascara on. That might frighten the crap out of you.
Really?
Oh my god, darn it!
What?
I
feel it.
literally just messed it all up. You're gonna have to open your eyes.
Oh no.
Oh, no. I can fix it up though.
Why is it stinging? Is that normal?
Yeah.
Really? Why is it stinging? Why is it stinging?
I don't know. I really don't know why. It doesn't sting me. You might need to like look at me. It will not poke your eye. Open, blink.
If I drink this, would it ruin it?
No? You might just get lipstick on the glass. This is what girls have to feel when they have lipstick on, Karen, so now you know how we feel. Yeah.
Is it finished?
This is the finish. Yeah, completely done. From eyes to face to eyebrows to lips to highlighter.
Oh.
Pretty.
Get up,
Oh my
get
God.
up now. Listen here, I have spent so much time. Leave me alone. My name is Kira. Hello, everyone.
He looks like Slash.
What did you say?
Slash.
But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this live stream / video. If you did, please give this video a like. My Twitter, Instagram description below. I hope you have a good day. Goodbye.
No more room for hesitation. I'm focused on my destination. I hate to be the one that's always contemplating. I'm worried about my soul, I need some meditation. From always giving more in every situation. That should get me down. That should get me through.